Motor Trend put the Trailblazer and the Pilot to a head-to-head braking test. Results concluded that the Trailblazer's stopping distance was a full 22 feet shorter than the Pilot's when decelerating from 60 miles per hour to a full stop.
So, you're driving in heavy highway traffic and the guy in front of you who's talking away on his cell phone doesn't pay any attention to all the brake lights going on in front of him. He finally jams on the brakes at the last second. You come to a screeching stop and nearly crash into the back. Now you know why you want a car with superior braking distance.